Another day, another crash helmet. This one, however, it's going to be rather an experiment, something I wanted to do for quite some time, completely different technique. It's not exactly a project alone, but it's rather something I want to experiment with and see what kind of results I'm going to get. So stick around if you want to see what I'm going to do with it. Let's get it done. Oh yeah. Believe or not, but I've managed to delete the footage of actual airbrushing process. I shot it all on my camera. I thought I copied that over to edit, but I didn't, and I format the SD camera. But I'm a one-man band, so guys, need to forgive my mistakes. Anyway, here how it's look like clear coated. I said, guys, it was a bit of an experiment playing with a metal leaf as a whole base for a complete helmet. I've not done this before, but if I'm honest with you, I am kind of blown away with the effect because, well, in my opinion, it looks rather spectacular, don't you think? Now, the question of durability of it, how good is the adhesive, how good the clear coat will protect it, well, time will tell. I'm about to road test this helmet. I've done it for myself as a test piece. If it's going to be good enough for my liking, I will be producing helmets like this with copper leaf, with gold leaf, with silver leaf, with different design, and you guys let me know whether you want one of those bad boys, but I will update you at some point. So far, so good. Hey guys, let me know what you think. Bit of an experiment, but I'm kind of liking it. I love the reflection of that metal leaf, especially in the natural sunlight. But I didn't see a sun for the last couple of weeks because it's pissing down all the time, right? It's Christmas, so hey ho. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this idea. Let me know if you like this design. Let me know if you have any other ideas. And most of all, let me know if you want one, and we take it from there. This is me over and out for the year, guys. Have a good one. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Drink beer, rock hard, and we see you in 2021 with more better projects. See you later.